Mixture.
or mixture.
So, is matter around us pure? We were seeing this chapter. Yes. So, matter is either made up of pure substance or it is made up of mixture. Now, pure substance is again classified into two. It can be element
Element and compound.
and compound. Okay. So, element is classified into metals
Non-metals.
And metalloids.
and metalloids. And compounds are classified into homogeneous and heterogeneous. Sorry, pure substance and mixture. And mixture are compounds. Sorry, हमने compounds तो किया ही नहीं. 1 minute. Compounds. Another classification is compounds. So compounds का example हमने देखा था.
Water.
Yes, water, salt. Okay, you can write water or salt. Their formula also you can write. Salt मतलब table salt which we use in kitchen. Okay, and mixture has two classification: homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture.
This you have to copy.
हाँ, ये बुक में नहीं करो तो अपनी कॉपी में लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. अब मेटल्स का क्लासिफिकेशन में मेटल्स के एग्जांपल में लिख सकते हो आयरन, कॉपर. दिस आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मेटल्स. नॉन मेटल्स ऑक्सीजन, हाइड्रोजन. दिस आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ नॉन मेटल्स. एंड मेटलॉइड्स जर्मेनियम, सिलिकॉन. ओके. Homogeneous mixture, example of homogeneous is salt in water. And heterogeneous, we have seen like mixture of sand and sugar. तो homogeneous mixture क्या प्रॉपर्टी होती है? इट इज यूनिफॉर्म. यूनिफॉर्म मतलब पूरा एक जैसा ही होगा. homogeneous mixture, its quality is that it is a uniform, it has uniform composition, and heterogeneous mixture has non-uniform composition. Okay, this you can write in your copy. Actually in book there is not sufficient space, so you can write in your copy. Now actually we are going to discuss let us come to this PowerPoint slide only. Okay. Yeah. So, first of all, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. We are going to actually discuss types of mixture. Okay. So first is homogeneous mixture
Heterogeneous.
and heterogeneous mixture.
Can you present the previous slide?
Okay. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next we are going to see homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Now homogeneous mixture has uniform composition. Okay. So example we have seen. For example, if we dissolve salt in water, okay, and if we like if 5 persons are there and we give each of them a teaspoonful of salt in water, everybody will get equal amount of salt because it gets uniformly mixed with water. Another example is sugar in water. Okay, so this are example of homogeneous mixture. Okay, so in homogeneous mixture, all the components are uniformly mixed and there is no boundaries of separation between them. There is no boundaries of separation between them. All components of mixture are uniformly mixed. Between them. Okay. Now next is heterogeneous mixture. It has non-uniform composition. So example is, for example, if we mix iron filling and sulfur, iron fillings मतलब iron का burada, powdered form of iron and sulfur. Okay, one example is this, or another example is sugar and sand. Okay, अब suppose शुगर और सैंड को थरोली मिक्स कर लिया. ओके, और मिक्स करने के बाद सबको एक एक पिंच उसका दिया मिक्सचर का, तो सबको इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ शुगर और इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ सैंड नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म कंपोजिशन. ओके, हियर all components are not thoroughly mixed, are not thoroughly mixed, and there are visible boundaries of separation between them, and there are visible boundaries of separation between them. Okay, this is difference between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Now we are going to see one more type of classification of mixtures. So is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now can I change the slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. अब actually mixtures, one more classification of mixture is solution, suspension, and colloid.
Ma'am, it is of mixture only.
Mixture, yes. ये भी mixtures ही है. Okay, तो solution is also called true solution. Okay, so solution is a homogeneous mixture. 1 minute. First, solution is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more substances. Okay. Suspension is a non-homogeneous mixture or it is a heterogeneous mixture.
Heterogeneous.
Suspension, yes, it is a heterogeneous
Homogeneous mixture.
mixture. of two or
Or
more
more
substances.
substance.
Do you know what is colloid?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Colloid is actually a mixture which appears to be homogeneous but is actually heterogeneous. Okay. So colloid is also a mixture which appears to be homogeneous but is actually heterogeneous.
Ma'am, but how it is?
बताते हैं. We'll see example. Okay. Example of colloid is milk, blood, okay, etc. Then example of this solution can be mixture of salt in water. Okay. And example of suspension, it can be like a mixture of sand in water. Okay. So particles are clear cut visible. They do not dissolve in it, or mixture of chalk in water. Okay. This is also example of suspension. Okay. Chalk powder in water. It will not dissolve. Chalk powder will not dissolve. It can be clearly seen different from water. Okay. So chalk powder in water. Okay. And example of colloid is milk and blood. Okay. Milk और blood, milk जो है वो दिखता है ऐसा है पूरा homogeneous है, but it is not actually homogeneous. It is heterogeneous. It has large, like many particles are there, and when we like rotate it at very high speed, और या उसमें थोड़ा सा like if you will put, that is called, if you rotate it at very high speed, then cream gets separated from the milk. Okay. Or when it is observed under closer, like in microscope, particles are not uniformly distributed in milk, and similarly in blood also. So milk and blood are example of colloid. Okay. So
Ma'am,
now, yes,
ma'am, can you explain suspension again?
सस्पेंशन तो जस्ट जैसे चौक को वाटर में डिसॉल्व कर दिया तो वो सस्पेंशन. उसमें
Okay, ma'am.
पार्टिकल्स इतने बड़े होते हैं कि वी कैन सी विद नेकेड आइज. ओके. अब सॉल्यूशन के दो पार्ट्स होते हैं. सॉल्यूशन इज मेड अप ऑफ टू पार्ट्स, सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट. सॉल्यूशन इज मेड अप ऑफ टू पार्ट्स, सॉल्यूट एंड सॉल्वेंट. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
अब जैसे हमने सॉल्ट को वाटर में डिसॉल्व किया, ठीक है, तो सॉल्ट ज्यादा होगा या वाटर ज्यादा होगा?
Ma'am, water.
Ma'am, water.
तो जो चीज ज्यादा होती है वो तो होता है सॉल्वेंट, और जो चीज कम होती है वो होता है सॉल्यूट.
Sorry.
ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
So actually this will underline in book also in that part, and we'll see properties of solution. Okay. So particles of solution are smaller than 1 nanometer when we compare solution, suspension and colloid in terms of their particle size. Okay. Okay. So particles size के basis पे जब इनको compare करेंगे तो particles of solution are less than, particle size you can write. Okay. Less than 1 nanometer. वन नैनोमीटर का मतलब है 10 to the power -9 मीटर. ओके.
Yes, ma'am.
इन डायामीटर. ओके. मतलब 1 मीटर को 10 to the power 9, मतलब 1 के बाद 9 zeros लगाओ, इतने बड़े नंबर से डिवाइड करेंगे तो जो नंबर आता है उसको नैनोमीटर बोलते हैं. और सॉल्यूशन के पार्टिकल्स का डायामीटर इससे भी छोटा होता है. ओके. सो दे कैन नॉट बी सीन with naked eyes.
With naked eyes.
Particles cannot be seen with naked eyes. Okay. Suspension, their particle size is greater than 100 nanometer. Greater than 100 nanometer. Okay. And colloidal solution, their particle or colloid, their particle size is between 10 to 100 nanometer. Okay. Or you can write that particle size lies between solution and suspension. Okay. In suspension, particles of suspension can be seen by naked eyes. Okay. So particles can be seen by naked eyes here. And here also, in case of colloid also, particles cannot be seen by naked eyes because they are very small. Okay, they are quite small. Then solution actually is a stable solution. मतलब कि शुगर सॉल्ट को वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे और उसको ऐसा ही छोड़ देंगे तो सॉल्ट के पार्टिकल्स उससे अलग नहीं होंगे, तो उसको बोलते हैं इट फॉर्म्स ए स्टेबल सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट particles of true solution are stable, or particles if left undisturbed they do not get separated themselves. Okay, so solution is stable. ओके. सस्पेंशन, अगर चॉक पाउडर को पानी में डिसॉल्व करेंगे और अच्छा घुमाएंगे तो कुछ समय तक चॉक पार्टिकल्स मूव करते हुए दिखेंगे, उसके बाद वो सेटल हो जाएंगे बॉटम में. ओके, सो
Yes,
in
ma'am.
this case, in case of suspension, solute particles settle down when left undisturbed. So they can be separated by filtration. Okay, can be separated by filtration. In case of colloid, particles do not settle down. Okay, so colloid is also stable, quite stable. Now, okay, till here is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Tyndall effect actually we are going to see in next class. तो वो इन तीनों की एक प्रॉपर्टी, इन तीनों का एक कंपैरिजन है उसके बेसिस पे. दैट इज व्हाट द पाथ ऑफ लाइट इज नॉट विजिबल इन केस ऑफ सॉल्यूशन. In case of suspension, path of light is visible, and in case of colloid also path of light is visible. Anyway, that statement we can write here, but explanation I'll give in next class by showing you a, so that you can know what does it mean that path of light is visible and not visible. Okay, so first thing, so particles are very small, so they do not scatter a beam of light. And path of light is not visible in a solution. Okay. In case of suspension, particles of suspension scatter a beam of light. Okay, and makes the path of light visible. Okay. In colloid also, particles are big enough to scatter a beam of light. Beam of light passing through it. Okay. So, end makes path of light visible. This comparison you have to remember.